One of the things that I've realized when I was in grade school, about seventh grade, learning things like the Gettysburg Address, is that I could recite it quickly. Once I learned it, I could recite it, just fly through it. But if I was interrupted or got distracted, I couldn't remember where to go next. So what I did was I created a trick where all I had to do is memorize the first couple of words of each of the sentences, such as fourscore and now we are met, we have come, it is all, the brave men, the world will, it is for, it is us, it is rather, things like that. And I had the same problem with the counties of Texas. I could fly through reciting from Anderson, Andrews, and Angelina Ranzis all the way through Yoakum, Young, Zapata, Zavala if I do it really quickly. But what happens if I got distracted? So I made a new type of game, and let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how it works. I made a new type of game. I go to clickandlearnsoftware.com, click the Play Now button. I select the icon for 30 days to learn Texas counties, and I scroll all the way across to this game that I created, where when you click this button and click single player, I switch to random order. And the thing that I need to learn in order to go from the counties to start with A to B to C, it's a roadblock for me. It's a roadblock. So what I did, I created this game, and it's simple. It displays a letter on the screen, and it says what is the first county that begins with this letter. And you use the buttons down at the bottom, the right arrow or the left arrow, to go to the next question. But I play this game and I practice. For example, it has the first county that starts with a Z, a Zapata. And if I click this button down here at the bottom, I can see did I get it correct or did I get it wrong? I got it right. So I practice through this. I click the right arrow and I go to M. Madison. Go to J. Jack. It's like Jack Jackson, Jasper, Jeff Davis, Jefferson, and so forth. W would be Walker. L would be Lamar. E would be Eastland. Palo Pinto. Carnes. I had a really hard time getting through the C's and the H's and the K's. I kept having a hard time. And so I think this is Carnes. I click this button with the little dot at the bottom. It says, yes, that's Carnes. I go to the next one. U. Upshur, Upland, Uvalde. Let's go back and see if I got that correct. Upshur, okay. Y. Yoakum, Anderson, Gaines. Yes, Gaines. Let's see if that's correct. Okay, and that's how I go through this. C. B, C. Caldwell. I had a really hard time with Caldwell, Calhoun, Callahan, and Cameron. And so, like that's Caldwell. S is Sabine. There is no county that starts with the letter Q. I is Irion, such as the Irion, the only county in Texas that starts with the letter I. N would be Nacogdoches, and then Nacogdoches, Navarro, and so forth. T would be Tarrant. V would be Valverde, Van Zant, Victoria. D is Dallas, Dawson, DeWitt. F is Falls, Fannin, Fayette, Fisher. There's no county that starts with X. B would be Bailey, Bandera, Bastrop. R would be Rains, Randall, Reagan, Real. H, Hale, Hall, Hamilton, Hansford, Ochiltree, Oldham, and Orange, I think. So that's a game I created specifically to help you. I'm going to exit from that, but you can click this button that says name the first county. Click there, single player. You can do it in normal order, alphabetically, or random. I think it's better to learn randomly. Y is Yoakum and Young. W is Walker. Upshur, Irion, Ochiltree, Rains, Jack. C would be Caldwell, Falls, Zapata, Nacogdoches, Anderson, Palo Pinto, Valverde, Carnes, Dallam, Gaines, Hale, Bailey, Sabine, Lamb, nothing with X, Eastland, Madison, nothing with Q, Tarrant, and that's all the letters. Exit from here. But that's a game I created just specifically to get through this roadblock that I have. You can do this. You can get in and play that game. It's really, for me, as you can tell by now, I really enjoy this. It's a lot of fun. I think geography knowledge is extremely important. It helps us in so many ways. I'm up past 6 minutes already, and I just wanted to show you that little trick to get through what I consider a roadblock when I'm memorizing something big like this project. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Maybe tomorrow when you get to that. So anyway, enough of this. Thanks.